Today, I'm going to show you how you're going to create cinematic AI movies.
Mama, please stay quiet. Now noise they attract them.
This is the easiest way for you to start creating cinematic AI movies. You need only two tools. This is the most basic way. There's no other way easier than this, and I'm just going to get started with the video. As you can see here in Grok, you can see all of the video generations that I've generated. How did I go about doing this? Simple. The first thing I did to generate the movie was I came to Gemini and I gave Gemini a prompt. I said, I want to create a short cinematic AI movie with realistic looking characters and scenes. I want you to come up with a storyline that involves an alien invasion in Lagos, because I was recently in Lagos and I took inspiration from there. The AI movie should be 2 minutes long because I didn't want the story to be too long. I want you to give me the script for the movie as well as dialogue for each scene, for each of the main characters if there are dialogue. So you understand the direction I'm taking this. So this is a super easy prompt, and then Gemini gave me the breakdown of the dialogue, the scenes, and everything, the narration, and also I requested for it to generate the prompts for the images. So because we use images and then we convert images to video. That's the simplest way to get cinematic videos. So Gemini generated all of the prompts that I need, and then I asked Gemini to generate the images. But sometimes if you ask Gemini to generate the images, it would mess up the image. So it's good for you to just copy the prompts and open a new tab in Gemini, and then you start pasting the prompts to generate your images. So that's what I did. You can see all of the images for the different scenes here. I copied them and then I came here and opened a new tab, and then I started to generate the images for the different scenes. As you can see, I have all of the prompts and the images here. And once I generated all of them, that's like 50% of the generations done, or 50% of the video done. All I had to do now was download all of the images, and I go according to the scenes and then go over to Grok. If you don't know about Grok Imagine is one of the best free tools that you can actually use to generate cinematic videos. Now, it is almost on par with things like Kling, Sora, and VO, but it is completely free. I know nothing is completely free, because if you use it for a while, they might tell you to pay to upgrade, but that's something that creators don't tell you. If you use Grok a lot, it would maybe later tell you to pay, but you can use it a whole lot before it gets to that threshold where you have to pay. So I've been using Grok to generate a whole lot of things. So I came here to Grok. All you have to do is click on video if you want to generate the video, and then you upload your image. So it will ask you edit images, animate image. So you want to choose animate. So once you click on animate, it will take you to where your medias are, so you can just select whatever you want to animate. So if I click here, I select this image. Let's say I click this one and I upload this one. All I have to do is type in the prompt that I want here, and then I'll click on this arrow here that says that points upwards, and then it will start generating the image. So if you're on the paid version of Grok, you can change your quality and the duration of your generation. But if you're using it for free, you can't do that. It's only for the paid version. But you can get the quality you get for 480p is a little bit decent. You can start creating faceless videos like this, and you can start making money. If you don't know, a lot of creators are making money with AI movies right now. If you check on YouTube, there are a lot of movies that even people that are not too tech savvy might not know that it is actually AI movies. But like a friend of mine reached out to me and saw a movie that he was watching on YouTube, and I told him it was AI generated. He argued with me for almost 10 minutes until I proved to him that it was AI generated. So a lot of people can't tell the difference between AI generated movies and what is real now. But to get some of those high quality generations, you might want to use a paid tool, or you might want to use something like Kling or Seed Dance. All of those video generators, as they are really good with motions and the physics of movement and the rest. But I digress. So once you have generated all your images, all you have to do is now stitch them together. So to stitch your image and your videos together, you have to download them, all of them. Once you download them, you want to come over to something like CapCut. If you don't know about CapCut, this is a video editor. I'll just come over to CapCut, and then once I open CapCut, so once I open CapCut, as you can see, I've already edited the video. I'm going to play the complete video right now so you can see. You can see this is the complete video here that I've generated. Let me play it so you can see. All you have to do is just drag all your videos here and drop them in CapCut, and then arrange them accordingly to the way, the progression in which they are supposed to be. So the first generation to the second, to the third, to the fourth, and so on and so forth, for as long as you've generated your videos. So that's all about it. To generate cinematic AI videos, you can choose to include dialogue by yourself, but you need the complex AI tool. Grok Imagine does that for you, because right here on Grok you can ask it to generate dialogue for your video. So if, let's say, I upload an image now, I would put what I want the character to say. So like here you can see man running in a chaotic alien invasion marketplace. Camera zooms out and upwards to reveal the chaos and alien object as the man yells, "Everyone hide, take shelter." So you want to put what you want the video to generate, as well as what the dialogue that you want to get from the generation. That is the beautiful thing about using Grok, and it's completely free. You can try this out now for free and start creating faceless videos, and you can start making money with AI. This has never been this easy. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this useful. I did not want to make this video too long. That was why I made sure I broke this down simply in the easiest form so you can understand. I'll see you in the next video.
This one everywhere quiet like this. Ah, Lagos, the city that never sleeps. What can be that? This is strange. Jesus Christ! What is happening, no? I need to get out of here, oh. What is really happening, oh? Everyone hide! Take shelter! Mama, we need to go hide, oh. Mama, please, stay quiet. Now noise, they attract them. Make God help us, oh.